It's a way to cover oneself, mask what is already there and permanent, makes a person, or a girl especially, feel better about themselves. Are we ashamed? Or simply trying to enhance our looks? It depends on the person. Maybe she is vain and another is insecure. Applying the foundation, hoping it will last throughout the day. One girl wears it to stand out from all the others. She thinks it will make her beauty more noticeable, her lips more luscious, her eyes more round and blue. Her eyelashes more flirtatious, her skin smooth and shimmery. Another girl wears it to hide from her imperfections. She thinks her acne is bad, her skin bumpy. She's afraid that someone will see what's under all that caked-on makeup, see how plain and pale she truly is. The confident girl struts to class in her knee-high boots and green pea coat. She has a beautiful ivory scarf that makes her face glow. It doesn't take her long to put on her face. She never wears too much because she knows she doesn't need to. She can't seem like high maintenance. No, that's not appealing. So she keeps it soft. Then others comment on her natural beauty, and boys swoon to her. For the girl who is trying to hide, she hates having to reapply every day. It takes so much time. Some days she really doesn't feel like it, but she will anyways. Wishing it didn't need to be washed off before she sleeps next to him. What if he wakes in the middle of the night and sees something that scares him away, and he leaves her all alone? She's trying to hide, and sometimes it feels impossible. She loads on the eyeliner, hoping it will hide her puffy eyes, tired from crying and not enough smiling. She wants it to be summer when there aren't as many worries. She doesn't have to see her boyfriend and friends on a daily basis, and she doesn't need bronzer to make her feel better. She's not ashamed of the freckles on her nose. She doesn't need foundation to cover those. Confident girl knows she doesn't always need to look in the mirror, especially in the summer. The sun makes her skin shine, the highlights in her hair shimmer, her tan makes her look healthy and young, her teeth white and her lips smooth, with just a touch of lip gloss, a pat or two of blush, and a brown outline around her eye. She knows she can enhance her features in a matter of seconds.